Welcome to the MachineBuilder Quick Tips video on resizing extrusions. The first time you can resize an extrusion is when inserting one to your design for the first time. Do this by dragging the arrow that appears at the end to reach your desired length. To confirm your selection, click elsewhere in the design or press the Escape key on your keyboard. You can do the same thing for extrusions that already exist in your design by right-clicking on them and selecting Resize. Again, use the arrows at either end to resize to your desired length. You can do the same thing by selecting your extrusion and using the Resize shortcut key on your keyboard, letter L, to achieve the same end. It's also possible to resize multiple parallel extrusions at the same time. Do this by first selecting your extrusions, right-clicking on them, and select Resize Selected Extrusions. Use the arrows at either end to drag to your desired length, and confirm your selection.